Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 30. Can't believe I'm 30 videos in, but I'm keeping it going, guys. Yeah, so we just got our notification that we got our earnings here about 20 minutes ago or so. Made 0.36% today. It's a little lower than yesterday, as you see. Yesterday was 0.53 if you guys have been following my videos. Not complaining, though. I still made $38.67. So along with my money I have from my referrals up here, 524 plus 195. This week alone, I made $200 American, guys, just for having the money in the system. Yeah. And yeah, all time, I'm at $10,221.20. That's how much money I've made collectively in the system since I started. Almost getting close to 2 years now. Another few months or so, it'll be 2 years. Yeah, guys, so a lot of people are asking me questions and stuff. I really appreciate your emails that you're sending off. Again, my email's in the description down below if you guys have any further questions about the system, how it works, how you fund your account. There's a lot of stuff to go over, guys. So you can just send me an email and I will definitely respond. It goes right to my phone, so I'll be able to respond as soon as possible, guys. So yeah, this ends this week here. It's a pretty good week. Like I said, I made $200. Usually I make anywhere from $200 to $300 a week, usually, depending. Of course, it goes up and down, so it's really hard to say the exact amount. But yeah, you guys got to look at people that are joining S Group. There's something you need to be aware of, that this is something that you want to just leave running on autopilot. Like, a lot of people think they're just going to come in and make a huge ton of cash. It doesn't work that way, guys. This is something you have to be in it for the long haul. I'm saying at least, maybe 2, 3, 4 years. You want to be building your account. Along the way, you could take some money out, but the whole idea is to build your account, because the more you have in there, the more money you're going to make as the trades happen day to day, Monday to Friday. And so that's kind of what I've been doing. I've been building my account. I'm at 14,000, maybe another, I guess, 365, somewhere around there, because it went up a couple hundred from the total deposit, guys. And that's the best part too, guys. The principal never gets touched. This is something you just leave. Yeah, you can do withdrawal if you leave it for a period of time. There's different time constraints, whether it's 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, a year. When you do a withdrawal of your total deposit, you're gonna have to pay a small fee. But the whole idea, though, guys, is to never touch your total deposit. All you're going to be reaping the rewards from is on your monthly income. So that's the whole idea with Forex. There's other things to invest in this company, but right now I'm just doing the Forex, building my team that I have on here in S Group, which comes to my next point. If you guys heard about S Group, trust me, guys. You don't know me, but you can definitely take my word for it if you're wanting to do so. But I think it's the most amazing system where you can make a passive income. You don't have to do anything. You just leave your money in the system, and the computerized bot automatically does the Forex trading for you. And it gives you a certain percentage of the earnings, and then the company keeps the other certain percentage, depending on the amount of money that you have invested in the system, guys. I had that in my last video. Depending on how much you invest in the system, the company will pay you this amount. I guess that's in the green. Yeah, it's like a green color. And 40% they keep. The big number is what you get, and the smaller number is what they get. So, as you see, they're making money with your money, but they're giving you a large share of the portion, unlike how the banks do it, guys. Think about it. If I had my money in the bank for a week, do you think I would have made $200 in interest, or any GIC, any type of investment? No, it doesn't work that way, guys. So it's much more smarter to have your money invested in things like Forex or medical cannabis. things like that. So anyways, guys, that concludes my video. The sign up link is at the bottom of the video. Click on the link and sign up and create your account. I'll walk you through everything. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, guys. There's a subscribe button, as well as my email address is in the description as well if you have any further questions. All right, see you guys in the next video.